In Indianapolis, an SUV approaches a red light at an intersection as a pedestrian enters the crosswalk. As the SUV runs the red light, it is T-boned by a car coming from the left, sending it hurtling toward the pedestrian, missing him by inches, and ultimately landing it on top of another car that is approaching the intersection. In total, 6 cars are impacted by the crash. According to the driver with the dash cam, no one is seriously injured. So remember, green is go, red is... yeah, you get it. I-95 South in St. Augustine, Florida. The dash cam of a tractor trailer records as it travels in the far right lane. Thus far, a fairly routine journey, but watch the left rearview mirror closely.
Holy!
Another semi carrying 60,000 pounds of sand barrels into the side of the tractor trailer from the adjacent lane and flips it so violently that its cabin detaches from its trailer.
Holy!
The driver of the semi that was hit is stunned and unsure of what to do. Other motorists arrive on the scene and join him in checking on the driver of the truck that flipped, who's still trapped in the cabin. What they find is miraculous.
Brian, I just got into a real bad accident.
Though badly banged up with 2 broken legs and multiple cuts and bruises, the driver is alive. According to the driver with the dash cam, the trucker had fallen asleep at the wheel, causing him to lose control of his vehicle and slam into the other semi. Another good reminder, if you're feeling sleepy on the road, pull over, especially when driving a 30-ton truck.
Holy!
It's rush hour near Golden, Colorado. A man is driving eastbound on I-70 when his dash cam captures a large dog sticking its head out of an SUV's window. Seconds later, a small white dog does the same. Then, it does the unthinkable. The dog leaps from the window and rolls several times before ending up directly in front of the driver's car. He appears hurt and is on the edge of the high-speed lane when...
oh my God!
Safe again. In the arms of his owner. But the witness, understandably shaken up, calls his wife moments later.
The guy in the left lane, just in front of me, his little dog fell right out of the car, right in front of me. These little dogs, they stick their head out the window and then pretty soon they fall out. Man, I'm keeping our dogs' windows rolled up.
Good advice for dog owners everywhere.
Oh my God.
Oh.
In Rochester, New York,
Oh wait, now she's fighting her.
after pulling over to drop off her passengers, a rideshare driver's dash cam records a fight between 3 women in the middle of the street. The driver has cautioned her passengers, a mother and 3 small children, to wait until the brawl blows over before exiting the vehicle.
And they gonna all get back in the same car together? Wait a minute.
Though the altercation is seemingly settled, the mother stays put.
I'm nervous to get out with the babies. And one of my babies are asleep. So I was like, wait.
which might just save her life.
Nope. Oh, don't hit your dog! My kids are in here! Oh, my baby, please! Oh, my baby!
The vehicle plows directly into the rideshare car.
My kids are in here! My baby, please! Oh, my baby! Your hand! Oh, my God! My baby!
According to the rideshare driver, she and the mother free the children from their car seats as passersby take them to safety.
Get out! Get out!
When the mother confronts the women in the vehicle that rammed them, they take off. Thankfully, no one is injured in the crash.
Don't hit your dog! My kids are in here! My baby, please!
It remains unclear why the car with the 3 women drove directly into the rideshare vehicle. But the rideshare driver believes that the women may have still been fighting inside the car.
Get out!
According to the rideshare driver, the women in the other car have not been identified.
Don't